Time for a quick snack. Got our some leftover rutabagas. Got the cast iron frying pan heating up. All I'm going to do is take the rutabagas, mix a little bit of flour with them. Can't tell you how much because it all depends on how much you're cooking. I'm just making a little bit for me. Just making a little patty kind of cake out of it. So all you do is take your cold rutabagas, add some flour to them, and well-beaten egg. Heat them up and fry it in the frying pan. Just a little quick cake for a snack. Mixed up with egg and flour. Now we're just going to dip them in the frying pan. You want to cook it on kind of low so you don't burn them. They're already cold. Mix your flour well and your egg well in there. You want your flour, you want to use nice sifted flour so you don't have any lumps of flour in there. Mix it up good, and then you're just going to heat it up in the frying pan just to brown it and heat it up a little bit. Whenever you have leftover turnips or potatoes or rutabagas or anything like this, this is a good way to use them so they don't go bad. And you save a little money like this. You're just making a quick snack. I think everybody's had them done with mashed potatoes before. Same idea, mashed potatoes, egg, and a little flour. You're just making like a little rutabaga pancake. You can do them with turnips too. I think the Chinese like them that way, with putting green onions in them. Green onions mixed together with turnips and flour, and then fry them like that. It's cheap, it's easy, and they taste good. It only takes a couple of minutes to do. Just flip them over. Now I'm just browning them on the other side, and they'll be done. And that's it, we're all done. Let's eat, y'all. Thank you.